So we find ourselves at the farm. We have Mr. Vinnie Jones with us today. We've got his Defender in front of us and we've got a plan.
As seen on the Discovery Plus channel, Vinnie Jones in the Country, we have had the 90 built by yourselves, Tom, Squire Editions, which matches my 110.
A man of detail.
And I think, yeah, it is magnificent inside. It's 2.2 and goes well, really does go like a rocket. And I just think maybe we could let this go and raise some money for men's mental health. Cover the costs of you and me and whatever it stands us in, no big profit, no profit. And I think we take the profit and give it to mental health charities for the blokes, you know.
You're a huge advocate of men's mental health, I know that. For what you do here at the farm.
Been through a lot of it myself, Tom.
Exactly, yeah, and that's what, you know, what a lovely thing, you know, the people who need to experience it, need to go through it, they need a shoulder to lean on, they need someone to talk to, but doing something like this is going to be a massive plus factor, without question, coming up to Christmas as well.
Yeah, and you know, it's got everything, my personalised autograph in there, it's absolutely designed by me, built by you,
yeah,
and I think this little beauty can go to a great cause. I think that's what it's all about.
And it does feature Vinnie Jones in the Country, which is due to be released season 2
next week.
So keep an eye out for that. Should we go somewhere in the light so we can just discuss this and see what we're going to do, how we're going to propose it, and what we're going to pitch forward to our audience?
Yeah. There it is. She's an absolute beauty. Gorgeous.
We find ourselves back in the barn. Here we are again. Fire's not lit today.
Will be Saturday.
Yeah, it's nice and toasty. This is my normal spot, actually, with a cigar.
Yeah, I let you boys have a cigar in here. It's great. You know, the Land Rover's done a bit of fishing, it's done a bit of shooting. 4-seater. The two in the back fold out, so it becomes
family wagon or indeed
or a 2-seater
for the country pursuits.
4-seater or 2-seater, and away you go.
But Land Rover's always been a big part of your life, though, haven't they, Vinnie?
Yeah. All my life I wanted to, you know, own something special. I had the 90 done. The 110's been ongoing. Obviously, you've sorted it all out now and put the new engine in. I think it's something that I can give back. It's given me a lot. The 110's given me a lot, and you know, I just feel it's going to sit in there. And I'm not one of them lads that just wants to put a trickle charge on it and walk in the barn and see it. I think it's got to be a working vehicle. Yeah. You'll see in the new show this season, it's on Discovery Plus, Vinnie Jones in the Country. The Land Rover's in there, obviously, but it's a toy for blokes, really. You know, I know there are women out there, you know, don't get me wrong, that will love it, but we've battled the areas that are not really spoken about in men's mental health, and we've done it with Wobbly and myself, you know, and Emma, and we've addressed it. But yeah, I mean, this is something of giving back. I don't think I'll use the 90 as much as I thought I would, because the 110 came along, you fixed that for me. I live in my Polaris as well, you know, around the farm and locally. It's done properly. You won't find another one on the market in the country like it.
Well, absolutely not. I mean, it's done in collaboration with Harkeeler as well.
We've got all the Harkeeler tweed in there that they gave us specially. You've got all the tanned leather. It's absolutely magnificent. And, you know, if I didn't have the 110, I'd be keeping it. You know,
and what plate will go with that as well?
It'll have a personalised plate, P123 gun.
So perfect for the shooting fraternity or any of the country pursuits? Yeah,
it's country pursuits again, P123 gun, because I bought quite a few of the P number plates, so P23 gun, P234, P123, all with the prefix gun. But it is a one-off. If you've got a collection and you want it for something like that, it's fair enough.
And what I will do as well, just for peace of mind, if there's a prospective buyer out there, I will make sure that Squire Editions give it a full service of a check over, and we'll deliver that with the car as well. So that sums it up quite nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you know, we're going to start at 75 grand and see where we go.
See where we go.
You know, I'd like to get 100 grand for it. You know, that would be a nice chunk of money for mental health charities. That's what this is all about.
Very much so. No, lovely thing to do.
Thanks for helping out, Tom, and we'll see where we go.
Yeah, we will. Thank you very much for your time, Governor.
Cheers, Tom.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
As you can see, we are now back in the workshop And as anticipated, it was something vehicle related that Vinnie wanted to discuss. That Land Rover is going to be up for sale, and it will be £75,000 starting bid in increments. So all bids coming into us, just let us know, info@squireeditions.com. Give us a call or drop us a DM. But there we have it, Mr. Vinnie Jones's Land Rover Defender 90 up for sale. As always, really grateful of you watching this. Give us any comments below, all the likes, all the shares that you can do, and we'll see you in the next video.